Good evening, everyone. This is Group 17, and welcome to our team's presentation. My name is Ramina, and my teammates are Nitin, Dhruv, Mithilesh, and Akshita. In today's fast-paced and interconnected world, supply chains are more complex than ever, with numerous stakeholders, variables, and points to manage. Our team has worked tirelessly to develop a comprehensive Power BI solution that transforms complex supply chain data into actionable insights, enabling data-driven decisions. The objective of using supply chain data is to enable organizations to visualize, analyze, and optimize their supply chain operations. Also to track key performance indicators such as lead times, delivery accuracy, and production efficiency. To begin with, we first transform the data. As you can see in table view, we have segregated them into 6 different categories. You can see here categories data, customers data, departments data, orders item data, and products data. Second, we did data modeling where we created different relationships. We created 3 relationships: orders item, products data, and orders data. Third, we created dashboards. So our first dashboard is about sales and profit analysis. As you can see on the left side, we have all the slices, which includes date slicer, country, product name, region, category name, and customer segment. The first chart, here we can see that the consumer segment has the highest sales, followed by corporate and home office. The second chart, which talks about total sales by category name, we can see that fishing and cleats are the top selling categories in total sales. The third chart, total profit by category name, here we can see that fishing and cleats categories contribute the most to the profits. Total sales by region, Western Europe and Central America are leading regions in sales. Average sales by country, both Puerto Rico and USA have the highest average sales. When we look at the last chart, total profit by product name, the field and stream sportsman product is the most profitable. These insights can help in targeting the right customer segments, focusing on high-performing regions, and prioritizing product categories that generate more profit. Let's hear about delivery performance analysis from Dhruv.
From the first chart, the majority of orders are late deliveries, with a count significantly higher than other statuses. Advanced shipping and shipping on time have lower counts compared to late deliveries, suggesting that the delivery process may need improvements. And from the second chart, you can observe plates, men's footwear, and women's apparel are the top categories at risk of late deliveries. And from the third map, that's the chart, Central America and Western Europe have the highest risk of late deliveries. The higher number of late deliveries indicates potential issues in the supply chain or logistics that need addressed. And the customer analysis will be told by Nitin.
In the first chart, we can see that the highest number of customers is apparel, followed by fan shop and gold. And in the second chart, the city with the highest number of customers is Caguas, with a significant lead over the cities like Chicago and Los Angeles. And the third chart, we can see the map visualization shows a concentration of customers in certain states across United States, with larger circuits indicating higher customer counts. There seems to be a noticeable presence of customers in states along the East Coast and some in the Midwest. And the fourth chart, that is the pie chart, shows that the majority of the customers are from the United States. These insights suggest that the certain departments like apparel and locations like Caguas have a much higher customer base, which could be useful for targeted marketing and inventory management. And further order and product analysis will be explained by Mithilesh.
Order and product analysis. The first chart indicates that the orders are distributed across various regions with noticeable concentrations in Europe, North America, and parts of Africa. The second chart indicates the majority of orders come from consumer segment, which is significantly higher than the corporate and home office segments. The third chart The cleats category has the highest number of orders, followed by the men's footwear and women's apparel. The fourth chart, fields and stream sports, is top selling product with sales exceeding 6 million. Next, market and region analysis will be taken by Dhruv.
Market and region analysis. Europe, from the first chart, Europe and Latin America leads in total sales, both nearing the 10 million marks. Pacific Asia follows with sales significantly lower than Europe and Latin America, but still strong. From the second chart, Western Europe is the leading region in total sales, followed by Central America. And from the third chart, Europe is the most profitable market with a noticeable lead over other regions. From the fourth chart, Europe, Pacific Asia, and Latin America have similar and high order volumes. And the next time-based analysis will be told by Akshay.
Coming to the next set of data dashboard, it is time-based analysis, where the first chart represents the total sales by year and month. The sales were steady from 2015 to mid 2017 and then dropped sharply in late 2017. The second chart represents the total orders by years and months. Orders remained steady with spike sharply at the end of 2017 and early 2018. Comparing the third and fourth chart, the total sales by year and quarter, and also to total orders by year and quarter. The seasonality of both sales and orders show a strong increase in quantum 4 in 2017, likely due to holiday shopping followed by a drop in Q1 in 2018. This suggests seasonal effects or successful promotions in late 2017.
Next, the late delivery risk analysis. The first chart explains us late delivery risk by category name. Chart ranks products categories based on the associated risk of late delivery. The categories cleats and men's footwear have the highest late delivery risk, suggesting potential issues with supplier reliability or logistical challenges specific to these products. The second chart, that is pie chart, displays the proportion of late delivery risk by customer segment. The consumer segment accounts for the majority of late delivery risk, followed by corporate and home office. The third chart, late delivery risk by order region, shows late delivery risk across different regions, with Central America experiencing the highest risk. Overall, the visualization suggests targeted opportunities for improvement in managing late deliveries, particularly in focusing on specific products categories and regions with higher risks.
So here is a quick summary. The analysis reveals that the consumer segment drives the highest sales, particularly in fishing and leads with Western Europe and Central America as leading regions. Puerto Rico and the USA have the highest sales per customer, with field and stream sports products being most profitable. Delivery performance is problematic, especially for cleats and men's footwear, with regions like Central America facing significant delays. Europe and Latin America are top markets with stable sales until late 2017. However, delivery risk, especially from cleats and men's footwear, are high in regions like Central America and Western Europe.
To address the issue identified in the analysis, here are some improvement strategies which Akshita will talk about.
Firstly, it is important to improve the performances focusing on expanding top-selling categories like fishing and plates and offering brand product bundles to boost up the sales. Secondly, the target marketing efforts in high value of regions like Western Europe and Central America. Optimizing supply chains by reevaluating shipping chains is also important insight. Implementing and experiences and finally
Sorry to interrupt you, Akshita.
marketing and
So,
product.
Akshita, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I am.
Actually, your
Hello.
voice is breaking. It has been breaking from the beginning, but now it's breaking too much, Akshita.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yes, now you are. Can you just go through the insights part from the beginning?
Yes, sir. So firstly, it
Yeah,
is mainly
sorry for
improve.
that.
Sir,
No, you can
firstly,
start.
it is Firstly, it is important to improve the performances and focusing mainly on expanding the top selling categories like fishing and claims and offering product bundles to boost up sales. Target marketing efforts in high value regions like Western Europe and Central America. Optimizing supply chains by re-evaluating shipping routes and implementing real-time tracking to manage delays and enhance the customer experiences is also one of the key points. Finally, the tailored marketing and the product offers to regional preferences and improve logistics in high rate of risk areas uh, due to the reduce in the late deliveries. So by implementing these strategies, the business can improve sales, optimize delivery performances, enhance customer satisfaction, and managing risk more efficiently.
That concludes the presentation. We would like to thank UNP team, especially Sovan sir and Padmavati ma'am, as we are grateful for the opportunity given to us. Through this project, we gained immense knowledge, which I'm sure we all agree to. I'd like to take a moment to thank my teams for their hard work and dedication and for their contribution to this project. Your efforts have been invaluable. Thank you once again, and we look forward to future opportunities to learn more.
Well done, Group 17. This was a very good presentation, to the point, compact. I really like the way you have presented everything. Uh, I don't really have any improvement suggestions to give you, to be honest. Overall, it was a very good presentation. One thing that I want to tell everyone is that after this final presentation, we will put our project on GitHub. Okay, so that may take another, 1 or 2 more sessions. It is a very small work that you will have to do, and what we will do is we will add that project to your certificate as well. So this project, okay, will be added to your certificate. If anyone scans that the QR which will be added, they will be redirected to the project which you have done. Okay. So that is the
Yes.
last thing which we need to do. But anyway, coming back to the presentation, I have nothing to tell you, to be honest. Dashboard wise, it's a very good job, team, and presentation wise, the way you started, I really like that part, the way you started. So thank you so much, Group 17, and congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.